In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to hotkey trade inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Interactive Brokers like you usually would and then log into your account. And once you get inside of the account, you'll need to go over to the menu over here in the left hand corner and go down to settings. Now from here, it should look stuff like this where you can see the preference tab over here, and in the menu you will see hotkeys. Now from here, it should look something like this where you can see the platform controls and the order entry. You'll need to choose the order entry for this tutorial. From here, you'll be able to see the buy, the sell, the buy limit, sell limit, buy market, or sell market. From here, you can also change the hotkey or the mouse click if you want to do that. As you can see, I have personally Control plus Shift plus B inside of my Interactive Brokers. You can also change it by clicking on it, and then down here, the keystroke, you can just change it by clicking here and then click Save down here. You'll also be able to change a bunch of other settings if you want to do that, but from here you'll simply need to close this down and find the specific stock, futures, options, whatever that you want to trade with. Once you do that, you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here you can click Control plus Shift plus B, and then your buy order will open up. And as you can see over here, it will automatically go over to limits. If I chose the Control B, it will automatically go over to the market, and so on. From here, I'll just need to click buy order from here and then click transit. As you can see over here, now the order submitted and order filled is right here. From here, you can also do this and just close all of this down. And then from here, you'll be able to see that the portfolio has updated with the positions inside of Coca-Cola to 101. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!